Alright, what's going on everybody? This is the Fan 21 back once again. And this is a Lakewood 223 box fans. Made some time back in around the late 1980s, probably around 1988 or 1989. This is a 3-speed fan. There's a sticker on top. This is the 3rd generation of the plastic blade Lakewoods. They started sometime back around 1986 and lasted to around the early 90s. And then they swapped to the another blade style, like a transition model, before they had the brace blade. But to go around back here, uses a 6-pole shaded pole Macmillan motor. Like typically these fans are seen with. Fans are pretty decent shape for its age. It's got some grill slats missing on the grills in the front and the back, but nothing real too bad. Fan cleaned up pretty well. I found this at a thrift store. I only paid like $3 for it, so I said, what the heck. So we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration. Start off. On low. And low speed on these fans are really silent. Take it up to medium. And we'll take it up to high. And we're going to shut her off. Anyway, there you go. There was the 1988-1989 Lakewood Model 223. Have a good one, everybody. Take care.